Okay, guys, so what we're doing here is programming a 2025 Honda Prologue. I've got this video on like 5x speed just because it doesn't need to be a 15-minute video for any reason at all. The purpose of this video is just to show you that, yes, this is a badged Honda, but there's nothing Honda about it. If you notice the key, even though it has a Honda logo on it, the original one, it is a GM key. So because it's a GM vehicle, this is literally a Chevy Blazer, just with the Honda badge on it. That is it. That's all this is. So it's no different than any other GM vehicle. You use Techline Connect, otherwise known as SPS2, and it is the exact same procedure as all of the other GM vehicles that you program with SPS2. There is no difference at all. So here's the evidence. We did it for you, programmed in perfectly. We used an aftermarket key in this vehicle from Noble Key Supply, obviously, and it worked perfectly. So program as usual with Techline Connect.